All right, today we're diving into an illuminating experience to transform any space. That's right, we're talking about recessed lighting. Real simple to do. If it's already installed and all you want to do is upgrade your old recessed lighting to something new, follow along on this tutorial and I'll take you through step by step. All right, now's a good time to go ahead and hit that like button. I really would appreciate that. All right, that's it. We are done. Guys, it was very simple to do. As you can see, one unit probably takes less than 90 seconds to do from start to finish, and you are able to transform any space. In this case, I was able to transform the kitchen. I definitely appreciate you watching. Do me a favor, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel so that way you never miss out any on the latest videos that I have to offer. And as always, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Stay handy, my friends. See ya.